Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can easily match cut an audio in CapCut, like right in your phone. Super simple. You are just going to select your video and you are going to then select extract audio. Then you are going to select the audio here. You can use any audio that you want, of course. Then you are going to select beats here. You are just going to select auto generate, and you can either choose from beats like 1 or beats 2. So beats 2 have more beats than beat 1. And if you want to delete it, just select like a beat here and press delete. And if you want to add it back again, just press add and just press the check mark button once you are done. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!